Now I'm going to load data into the table, right? So what we have created. So it will asking for a warehouse. Now what I can do, I can choose the load WH warehouse, right? Fine. I'll just go to next. Then source files can be selected. This option is available only from this web UI, okay, not from anywhere else. So, through queries, you cannot take data from your local file, not possible. Okay, fine. Now I'm selecting my file. So I told you what file it is. Okay, I'll go to Snowflake, and this is called as payment type. Okay, payment type. So I choose it, right? So that is being taken. Okay, fine. If you are not choosing it from your local system, you have to choose from stages only. You see, you have to choose from stages, right? So not required now. I'll tell you what is a stage and all later on. So take it from there. Then go to the next one. So you see that we have a file format already created. If you have not created a file format, you can create it from here. Okay, this is a wizard, right? So you are running a wizard for loading data into a table, okay, from web UI. So already we have created a file format, so that will be there. Then I go to the next one, load options. So what happens, or what should happen if any error, if it encounters any error? Okay, so that is what it is asking me. Do not load data in the file. Stop loading and roll back. Do not load data means it will be stopping that immediately. Okay, it will stop that immediately. If you give second one, the rollback also will happen. If you give the third one, only if the threshold is being met, then only it will go. So up to some, for example, up to 3 errors, it will not stop. So the 3 errors can be skipped and it will be loading on, right? So whatever rows which contains the error, that will not be considered for loading purpose. Okay, it will not load that data. But if you give this one, it will return a error message, and it will roll back also. It won't load any row over there. Okay, so that is how it works. So I'm just choosing this one and click load. So when I click load, you see that the staging files, it's encrypting the files here. So whatever I have chosen from. Right. So the staging files is being done, and load is also being done. So 5 rows only. Okay, so it's a very small file actually. 5 rows is being passed and 5 rows are loaded, right? So you can see that the 5 rows, you can see that this thing, and you can see the size also. What is the total size of a table? That also will be shown. So this is what metadata is about. Okay, so the metadata is being once you are loading, immediately after loading, automatically the metadata will be calculated and it will be saved separately.